To begin the factory reset process for the Yale Assure Lock 2, if you have already set up your lock in the Yale Access app, open the Yale Access app while you are in Bluetooth range of your lock. Once the app is open, navigate to the lock settings screen, then select the lock you wish to factory reset. From there, scroll down on the lock settings screen and select the factory reset option. To complete a factory hardware reset of your Assure Lock 2 Touch, the first thing you're going to do is remove your battery covers. Then you are going to take your reset tool that is provided with the lock and insert it into the reset button at the bottom underneath the batteries. You will hold it here for a few seconds and then remove one battery, continue holding it, do that for another few seconds, and then reinsert your battery. You're going to now continue holding for anywhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. From there, you'll remove the reset tool, put your battery cover back on. You'll wait to hear the chimes on the lock. You'll see the button down there is flashing, and now you know your lock is reset. You can also verify that it is reset from the front of the lock and simply open the door. And you can see the front of the keypad is now oscillating the numbers. This means your lock is back in Bluetooth mode and you are ready to begin your setup.